How to install Human Bean Rewards app. So just tap get, and then yeah, this is the app you definitely need if you like this chain. And then you can just get a lot of rewards right in the app. To you can use this app to pay quickly and easily with your phone when you visit your favorite Human Bean location. With just one quick scan, you can pay, earn loyalty dollars, and enjoy many other awesome benefits. $2 sign up credit, $5 for every $55 spent, double reward Wednesdays, $2 when you refer a friend. Then you can also reach gold and platinum reward levels, send digital gift cards to friends. So yeah, if you like in general just some like chain like Starbucks, McDonald's, whatever, definitely give a try to their app, because sometimes they have app only rewards. So then you can just sign up or sign in with your email address, and then yeah, then you can just see the menu from humanbean.com. You can see the locations, and that's basically how you get started.